Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to apply the test of nitrates with this product made by Sera GmbH, and then we'll see the results with the water of my turtle aquarium. The first thing we have to do is wash the vial twice, rinse it out with water from the pond, the turtle pond. With this procedure we remove any material that might be in there that might contaminate our results. Now we have to fill the vial with 10 milliliters of water from the aquarium, and for that I will use my syringe. We dry the vial. First we use reagent 1, and we have to shake it and introduce 6 drops of reagent 1. Always in a vertical. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we shake it softly. Now we have to put 6 drops of reagent 2. We shake it well. 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We shake it well. Now we have to add reagent 3 that we must, it's a dust that we have to pick up with this little spoon. This red little bar has a hole there. That is a spoon that we have to get it level. And we must shake it vigorously for 15 seconds. Okay. Now we have to drop in reagent 4, 6 drops of reagent 4. We shake it well. We shake it well, and we let it rest for 5 minutes before comparing the colors with the chart. Okay, 5 minutes have gone by now, and we have to compare the color of the liquid with the chart. We take the cap off, we dry the vial just in case. Now, it seems obvious that the tone is somewhere there, or just very faintly below, but around there, about 40 milligrams per litre. This hasn't changed for weeks. It's the same value despite water changes, plants, and everything. So either the test, is something wrong with the test, or there's something wrong with our aquarium, and we have to fix that. Well, that's it with the nitrate test. Now we have to clean it and dry it and put it away. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave your comments, subscribe to my channel please, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.